Good morning, everybody. So it is Friday. I don't know what's gonna happen today. Wilson's here. So I probably won't be able to vlog as much. Here's Zoe. I need to switch out batteries. These ones have been blinking for days, so I want to do that. I still need to keep an eye on the storm that's happening. Excuse me. Mom is going to try and get home earlier from work today so we can go grocery shopping. Because it's Friday, that's when we normally go grocery shopping, but now to see if we can get some supplies. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. It's like 9 something. 9:40. So the next track I think comes out at noon or 11. I don't know. I'm going to have to go check. So that's what we're going to do. I need to edit. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, I'll see you guys later. You have your little tongue sticking out. Are you scared, Zoe? Did that scare you? Hmm? Yeah. That scare you?
Every day we get rain. Every day. Now it's no light.
Okay, so we are having the worst weather, and the crazy part is this is not even the tropical storm Erica. This is just normal crazy summer South Florida storms. Yeah, we lost power, but we have it back, thank God. Oh, but we were in my brother's room, and the guy is here helping with Adam today, and we were in Adam's room. I was somewhere near his bed. Wilson, the guy, was looking out Adam's window, and Adam's window looks onto our backyard and our back porch area and the pool area. And we had lost power, and I was going back to talk to him about it, and the biggest, craziest lightning, I swear, hit in our backyard or in like our back porch area, and the flash of like bright hot pink was crazy. The sound was intense. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if the lightning struck somewhere in our backyard, our back porch, or something, but you saw and heard the lightning crack at the same time. And when that happens, it means that the lightning's pretty close to where you are. So that is kind of ridiculously crazy that I think our backyard got struck by lightning. What? I'm so glad like no cats were out there. Oh, crazy weather. I'll try and get more footage of the crazy weather. So we can handle this. We can handle a tropical storm. We're getting worse weather than we would be getting with that. It's kind of crazy. But it sucks because the internet's now down and out. So I'm going to try to reset it. Crazy weather. spam, Mom. You know it's hurricane season when you're getting spam. Got all the water. There we go. Alright, everybody. It is time to go to bed. I know this vlog is probably really short, but it is what it is. Yeah. I'm trying to think. Sam and Cindy came over. I didn't film anything because, again, we kind of just talk. Kind of just what girls do when they are together. We just hang out and talk. I'm so lucky to have such great best friends. Right, so? But yeah, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. It truly means the world to me. Stop licking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I make daily vlogs. Yeah, we make daily vlogs, Zoe. And I would appreciate if you would subscribe and come along on this crazy journey of my life. Hopefully y'all had a great morning, evening, noon, night, whenever you were watching this. Hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you all lovely in the morning. Good night. Bye. Say good night. Oh, look at the string.